Alright, as we finish removing the lock nuts to the brass bars that hold down the sliding divider, also the machine has an oiler, and it is mineral oil that is used in the machine. So basically you're going to put mineral oil into this hopper, and of course just close the cover. Underneath here it is a pump assembly, so that you can see this hose here, which is going to oil. As I mentioned, underneath or inside in the back here is also another one that comes up from the back side of the bottom of the hopper and the cylinder chamber, so that oils. And of course then there's a hose that comes from this oiler container that goes into that pump. So as this dividing arm comes back and forth, it hits a little cam on that oiler pump, so it keeps pumping oil to the machine. And it's a minute amount of mineral oil, but enough again to lubricate parts. So now as we remove the one bar assembly, you'll see right on it that there's a small hole right there, and there's an adjusting knob, so you can adjust basically the amount of oil that's going to come out of that little hole that's going to feed down into that dividing plate assembly. So now we'll put this down here right on the machine, that plate, because again you don't have to, and there is a quick disconnect, so you can really quick disconnect that bar also. So now there's the other bar that we've taken off too that holds it down. We'll just rest that up on the machine here as well. So now you'll see that you can easily just tilt and lift off that whole dividing sliding plate. Now you don't have to, this does not have to be done on a regular basis, but within a certain amount of time this should be done. So in other words, and also when we put this back together, we're going to put mineral oil on this, so when we go to ship the machine, that the machine will in fact, you know, not rust or anything while it's in transit or for some reason. So anyway, so now I'm going to stop and start again, so again to keep the video time down, and then we'll start again.